Yo, what's up guys? So good morning, and first of all I would like to apologize that the video posting has been a bit slow recently because this month has been hectic as fuck. I hadn't had time to rest or even edit the videos. The Melbourne videos was a little bit sketchy because it wasn't really a pleasant trip on the first few days. Then only I started to enjoy the trip because at the end of the tour I actually extended for my own free time, so only after that I really did enjoy the trip. So today I am heading over to my client's place to work on a BMW 3 Series. So this 3 Series is I think it's a brand new car. Not sure whether if it's a pre-registered or old stock, but over the WhatsApp conversation that I had with my client, the car is pretty badly stained. So it'll be interesting to see how the car turned out today. So stay tuned guys and check out the entire before and after in a cinematic sequence. So stay tuned, enjoy the video.
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Loaded.
Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. 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 What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed the video on the BMW 330e. So I'm done with the car for today, and tomorrow I will be working on a confidential detail that I cannot reveal the make, model, color of the car because it's a pre-production car. So I'm going to work on the car tomorrow, so there won't be any videos on that. but try to follow me on my social media, on my Facebook page, on my Facebook account, and you will see that next week I will be in Vietnam for my first time in Vietnam. So stay tuned guys for the video, and like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.